Welcome to the strategy page. In this video, we'll highlight the different types of strategies you can run in Optiml and help you determine what strategy works best for you. First, let's jump into the traditional plan. Now, selecting this option gives you the ability to set your own deposit and withdrawal order throughout the analysis. Now, although this plan is not optimized from a tax perspective, it can still give you a valid solution. This analysis typically takes anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds to run. You also have the flexibility to change the deposit and withdrawal order by simply dragging and dropping each account to the order that you'd like to run the analysis. Now let's highlight Optiml's goal-based planning and the 3 strategies available. This is all about setting your estate goal, or what you want to achieve at the end of the analysis. Optiml then works backwards to find the most efficient strategy forwards. If your goal is to live the lifestyle you want to live and have the exact amount of after-tax income you need in each year of the analysis, whilst also prioritizing maximizing the value of your after-tax estate, then you're looking at the max value strategy. If your goal is to maximize your lifetime and retirement spending and have no intention of leaving a large sum of money behind at the end of the analysis, then you're looking at the max spend strategy. This strategy will look at what you input for your desired after-tax income in each year and use that as a baseline. It will then calculate how much more you can spend any given year to ensure that you're maximizing your lifetime spending and you're not leaving a large sum of money behind at the end of the analysis. This helps answer the question of how much you can spend each year whilst having the confidence to know that your money's not going to run out throughout the length of the analysis. The max spend strategy also gives you the flexibility to select a window of when you want to see extra spending or surplus spending. When clicking on the strategy, you'll see a pop-up that allows you to select the age where you want to start and stop the max spend window. This is where the algorithm will calculate how much more you can spend in those years. If your goal is not to leave the most amount of money behind, but you don't necessarily want to leave nothing behind, you can come in and set your own financial goal. This will be the value that you want to have left at the end of the analysis. If this financial goal is indeed mathematically achievable, the algorithm will then calculate how much more you can spend throughout your lifetime to ensure that you're still able to hit this financial goal. Once you've input your financial goal and selected the strategy, you'll then see a pop-up on screen. If you've added any additional assets to the analysis, you have the option to either include these in your desired financial goal or keep your other assets completely separate. You can unselect any assets you don't want to include. In this example, that $500,000 goal will then be made up of liquid assets and investments. An alternative plan with Optiml is the ability to create a custom plan. Now you can either edit your most recent analysis and make changes to the deposit or withdrawal order or values, or you can build your own plan from scratch, picking your own deposit and withdrawal order in any given year. And then based on the output of your custom deposit and withdrawal order, you can then manually change any of the given values. As you can see, there's lots of different strategies and the ability to really customize your financial plan.